Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Anaconda distribution on macOS 13 Ventura. First of all, let us know what is Anaconda distribution. Conda is an open source package and environment management system that runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Conda quickly installs, runs, and updates packages and their dependencies. It also easily creates, saves, loads, and switches between environments on your local computer. It was created for Python programs, but it can package and distribute software for any language. Click on Apple logo. Click About this Mac. This is our macOS 13 Ventura operating system. Now I am going to download Anaconda distribution. Open Safari web browser. Go to google.com. Type in Google search bar. Download Anaconda for Mac. Press enter. Click on Anaconda official website link, www.anaconda.com. Let's drop down little bit. Click download. Click allow. Anaconda downloading is started. It will take time to download, it depends on your internet speed. Anaconda is downloaded. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click on Downloads. Here it is, our Anaconda package. Right-click on it. Open with installer. Let's close Downloads console. The package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Click Allow. Welcome to the Anaconda 3 installer. Click on Continue. Important information. Click on Continue. Software license agreement. Click on Continue. Click Agree. Click Install. Installer, would you like to access file in your download folder? Click OK. Click on Continue. The Anaconda 3 installation was completed successfully. Click on Close. Do you want to keep this Anaconda 3 installer package? You can click on Keep, otherwise click Move to Bin. In my case, I want to keep this Anaconda 3 installer package. Go to Launchpad. Click Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator page is open. Anaconda Navigator, our desktop application, lets you easily manage integrated applications, packages, and environments without using the command line. Anaconda Navigator having some pre-installed tools, like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, DeepNote, etc. Now I am going to launch Jupyter Notebook. Click Launch. Create our first notebook to run sample Python program. Update application. Click No, remind me later. Now Jupyter Notebook is open on localhost. Now click on Desktop. Would you like to access files in your desktop? Click OK. Click on New. Click Folder. Now we can create new folder on Mac desktop. I am going to rename this folder. Example, Program. Click on Rename. Click Program folder. Click on New, we will add a new Python notebook. Click Python 3. So here is our Python notebook. So write a program. Click on Run. You can see the output first Python program. Click on Logout. Click Leave Page. Click on Logout. Jupyter successfully log out. Close localhost. Close terminal. Click Terminate. Close Anaconda Navigator. Open Program on Desktop folder. Here it is, our first Jupyter notebook. Let's close Program folder. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Anaconda 3 on macOS 13 Ventura. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.